In this rapidly evolving world, market trends change and new challenges emerge in the blink of an eye. Achieving digital resilience holds the key for enterprises in this era, and BatchMaster is putting businesses on that path. Its intelligent, industry-focused solutions drive efficiency across the business processes with a full suite of integrated business management applications that improve business health with critical functionality required for delivering innovation, connecting suppliers and business partners, optimizing inventory, pricing planning, modernizing manufacturing, managing financials, steadying deliveries and meeting compliance, among others. And its personalized dashboards, plus hundreds of standard reports, allow users to access data, turn it into action, and turn that action into a 360-degree value, all in real time. Offering micro-verticalized solutions, coupled with its deep industry expertise and market knowledge required for process manufacturing, BatchMaster ignites and strengthens future competitiveness in businesses, and ensures continuity of operations at any given time with its cloud, web and integrated solutions. But don't just rely on our word. Our customers and leading software review platforms across the globe have consistently rated BatchMaster very highly on different parameters. Experience it yourself. How we deliver unparalleled value to fast-growing organizations. BatchMaster.